Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi bas nyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong.
I wanna make up right now, now. See you whining, grinding, all on the floor like that.
Unang aikte jangka sarkar berdiri menteri sarkar uba polling do ulepen pau bagajing pilipiang jaga surok na yo molong banmi shebi mola ke belakang mentalan rusnam kan amdan Jingïadei eru bagajing temu menpenken ria iki Harijan na Metor. Habakran bakila patai kubor uba polling do ulepen pau bagajing senjam blashim da sarkar ban pilipiang jaga surok banmi shebi mola kalau menwengi gajing deheng kali hapo kanong ba. Shushu ba polling do lepen pau bo yoi bakandon kenu ke Jingïadei halo ke jingdawa ban penkenria no yiki Harijan na Metor.
I think it was a practical decision in view of the traffic congestion, the general inconvenience being caused to members of the general public for the past 6 years. I don't see any link between that and the resolution of the current imbroglio vis-a-vis the relocation of the sweepers. In fact, the signal being sent, for the past 6 years is that things are not in order. That area is a trouble zone. But today we have removed that image by normalizing movement of people and pedestrians and vehicles in that area. So I think it's a very important positive step taken towards decongesting the entire city. You know the traffic scenario as it is today, and it is not at all linked. We have the state government has reiterated time and again that it would resolve this matter, and we are committed to that. The reopening of Them Maulong has nothing to do with the resolution of the issue.